You know when you know ना you know.
अभी पता चला?
हाँ कि मैं थोड़ा शर्मा. When I feel ना then I'm at it. Then मैं पीछे पड़ जाता हूँ. That's a big bite. Yeah.
वो गिर जाएगा.
नहीं खाओ. A woman is the queen and the king to decide उसे किसके साथ रहना है. But sometimes a man also feels. तो मैं उस मामले में लड़की हूँ. That's the reason I stopped traveling in trains because I was being touched. मैं देखता था उसके लिए. Then after 5 minutes मैं लड़कों को क्यों देख रहा हूँ? Need you're perfect. You're going on dates every week with new guys. No, I got ready in 5 minutes because I couldn't wait.
लड़का लाइनें तो बड़ी अच्छी मार रहा है.
हाँ.
Hi guys. So आज I'm on another date and इस बार मैंने सोचा हम पिज्जा एंड चिल करते हैं. So I'm just getting things ready to make a pizza. And oh wait, looks like my date is here. So let's go get him quickly. Hi Amir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very nice.
Oh wow, you
After
smell
you.
amazing.
Always do. That's one thing I like doing.
यार सब लोग नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल कर रहे हैं आजकल, तो मैंने कहा हम पिज्जा एंड चिल करते हैं. What do you think?
Very good, yeah. Very innovative actually.
When was the last time you went out on a date?
Last night?
Last night? You were on a date? I thought you would have been preparing for this date.
I was. Exactly 5 minutes before I came.
How mean.
No, but I did, na. Effort होता है. 5 मिनट या 5 घंटे.
I heard there's somebody in your life who likes pizza.
In my life? No, I don't know anyone in my life who likes
Joey.
pizza. Besides, Joey
Yeah.
doesn't like pizzas. He likes all the munchies in the world. He likes those things.
But his name is Joey.
Joey, how you doing? Oh yeah, मैं slow चल रहा हूँ भाई. मैं slow चल रहा हूँ.
But by the way, watching this
Yeah,
video,
yeah.
it is so cute. I want to be Joey now.
Yeah, but Joey, talking about Joey, I named it because that's Joey is my favorite character ever.
And yet you forgot Joey likes pizza.
Sorry, I forgot. I just
It's
I was
a
keeping you in
criminal
mind. I was
offense.
keeping you in mind. And looking at you, I was like shocked. How can you like pizza? You're so fit.
I love pizza.
Then you're lucky.
Now I'm like starting
Acha.
to think about health. I'm like, let's cut down this, let's cut down that, let's start eating healthy. And हो नहीं पा रहा है, वो अलग बात है. But मैंने सब क्रिसमस अपना पता है कैसे स्टार्ट किया है? I started my day with blood test. Just an annual
But you
checkup.
don't need. You're perfect. Look at you.
Thank you.
You're going on dates every week with new guys. What else do you want?
इतना
They're
तक
waiting
नहीं
to come.
बोलना था.
They're waiting to come and meet you.
You were waiting for what, 5 minutes?
No, I got ready in 5 minutes because I couldn't wait. There's a difference.
लड़का लाइनें तो बड़ी अच्छी मार रहा है.
हाँ.
But listen,
हाँ.
do you cook वैसे?
I am an amazingly bad.
मेरी उम्मीद यहाँ पे थी, मैंने ड्रॉप.
I'm miserable in kitchen. I don't know what happens to me. I'm a multitasker. I can do 2-3 things at the same time. Kitchen में जाकर ना मुझे दूध कॉर्नफ्लेक्स में दूध डालते हुए भी दूध गिर जाएगा. I don't know what happens to me in kitchen.
I used to be like that.
हाँ.
I actually set the kitchen on fire twice almost. तो मेरी माँ ने मुझे किचन से बैन कर दिया था.
And they plan this so that we go in the kitchen and
नहीं,
stuff.
this was before, long back.
Okay.
Then I learned how to cook. थोड़ा सा.
But fire तो ऐसा लग जाता है. It's okay. It's natural.
I don't think it's normal.
And then you expect the firefighters to come in their uniform and stuff. उसके लिए तो नहीं आग जला दी थी.
नहीं यार, तब बच्ची थी. But yeah, that's a good idea. I could totally do that. What is it that you look for when you're on a date?
You know when you know ना you know. I don't look for anything.
अभी पता चला?
हाँ.
क्या पता चला?
कि मैं थोड़ा शर्मा. Always a woman decides. I always believe that they decide whom they want to be with. Men तो are liking a lot of people, but a woman is the queen and the king to decide उसे किसके साथ रहना है. But sometimes a man also feels. So मैं उस मामले में लड़की हूँ. मैं awkward होने में ज़्यादा आगे रहता हूँ. You know what I feel? Because you girls go through every 5th guy texting, DMs, जिम में what workout जिम में सिखाने आ जाते हैं stuff. So I feel very awkward. I don't want to be one of them who just trying,
another guy.
who just trying and मुझे बुरा भी लगता है आप लोग के लिए because you all are going through this every single day. So I feel bad that I don't want to do that. I don't want to be that person. So मैं उस मामले में लड़की हूँ.
I actually wanted to understand something. So you of course have female friends and you have a lot of women in your life.
Yeah.
How do you sort of set the bar high for the men that they should allow into their life?
Girls expect a man to be in a certain way. Now, to woo the girl in that period, the man becomes like that. But what you all should actually want is just to let him be. Then you will see the real him. Na.
But I feel like कुछ तो standard set करने चाहिए, like थोड़ा सा तो होना चाहिए, like हम bare minimum में खुश नहीं हो सकते ना?
हाँ, लेकिन मैं bare minimum ही हूँ थोड़ा सा.
ऐसा है
हाँ, मैडम नहीं.
What do you mean your bare minimum? Now I want to understand that. What is it?
If I feel going down on my knee for a girl, I'll do it. If I feel like asking her for a holiday, I'll do it. If I have to feel it. So I won't do it because I just have to impress her.
That's nice. I think that's nice.
Yeah.
Fair enough. मतलब
चलेगा ना?
हाँ दौड़ेगा.
हाँ ठीक है.
If you're going down on your knee to ask me for a holiday, oh my god, that's a yes.
You have to actually genuinely feel, na?
Yeah.
And then when I feel, na, then I'm at it. Then मैं पीछे पड़ जाता हूँ. Then there's no holds bar, there's no ego, there's nothing. Then I'm.
And that's very cute.
Then I'm flat. Then I'm.
You're like full lattu.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like.
Once I am, then I am.
हम इस era में है ना जहाँ पे everybody is just rushing into things.
Yeah.
I feel like 3 डेट पे चले गए, अब relationship में आ जाओ,
Yeah.
अब हम date कर रहे हैं, अब हम relationship में,
मैं तो
अब
डर
हम
जाता
serious
हूँ.
हैं. I'm like, yeah, guys,
Suddenly,
calm down.
Calm down, right? Give me 5 minutes. Because you have to know the person, na? You can't. See, if you're going out 3, 4, 5 times with somebody, that means you're liking the person. There is some spark, there's something, and you feel, चलो इसको आगे बढ़ाते हैं, and let's see what happens. But then suddenly, and decide हो जाता है कि listen, let's take it easy. We both like each other and stuff, and let's know each other better. 10 दिन बाद, listen.
What are we?
Now, we just spoke 5 days back, and we're gonna take it easy, and we have to know each other. Oh, what are we? What is happening? What is the future? वहीं पर सब फिर.
जो लाइफ का जब पहला हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था वर्सेस अब जब हार्ट ब्रेक होता है, what do you like now versus what you were before?
Okay, you know what? You just made me realize heartbreak हमेशा painful होता है. There's no level. उस टाइम पे level अलग था, अभी level but it's the same. You feel the pain.
Are you somebody who's scared of a heartbreak?
Maybe.
How do you deal with it like now?
Now what has happened to me? I've become extra careful. That's also a fuck. Because you're giving that person your heart, she can break. तो मैं अब थोड़ा जैसा पहले नहीं था इतना, अब थोड़ा extra guarded हो गया.
You know, a lot of people tell me, oh, you know, if you could go back in time and change something, would you change the person you were dating before this and, you know, whatever you went through? And I was like, no, I wouldn't. Because if I changed that,
then you won't be you.
Yeah, like then I wouldn't be where I am or in life or who I am as a person.
Yeah.
So actually thank the person who did bad. तो तुमने जो किया अच्छे के लिए किया भाई.
And एक और चीज़ I've understood that you need to forgive. Not for him or her, for yourself.
For yourself. I was about to say
Achha,
that.
I'm not a reader. I'm not some. I don't understand. I'm not so smart. But these few things now, you just discover yourself. Something happened, and the minute I forgave, I healed.
Should we go and make the pizza now?
Okay.
But you've also worked with Kajol. What was that like? Trial? I mean,
Yeah.
Good Wife ka remake.
Who's not a fan of Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan? You know, we've all been in our growing days.
Are you like a Shah Rukh romance kind of guy?
I don't think so.
Holiday ke liye you will go down on a knee, but you're not a Shah Rukh
Holiday
romance.
के लिए नहीं. Holiday के लिए. In general, if I feel like, if I really
हाँ,
दिल
तो
से
are you
feel
telling
like,
me that you दिल से you don't feel like being Shah Rukh level romantic with somebody you love?
हो जाऊंगा ना यार. वो अपना आ जाएगा. वो उस वक्त जो फील हो रहा है वो हो जाएगा. I think हो जाऊंगा, कर लूंगा.
Exactly.
Yeah.
देखो हर इंसान को पता
ये
होता
नहीं
है.
कर पाऊंगा बस मतलब वो
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
बट बाकी सब कर लूंगा. कल हो ना हो. नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलते. I'm very bad in mimicry.
It's okay. मैं वो वन लाइनर्स मार लूंगी. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
ये चीज है ना.
हाँ.
ये एंड में डालेंगे या बीच में डाल देंगे. बीच में डाल सकते हैं. It'll be nice.
Tell me one more thing. If you're having a bad week with your guy,
हाँ.
Is it easy for you to just say कि I don't think it's working,
No.
or you will try?
No, I think it's very important to try and make things work. I think we're done here. हम जाके अभी अपना पिज्जा बेक होने का इंतजार करते हैं. ओह,
ये हमारा ही है ना?
करके गाने
ये हमारा ही कि आप लोग ने बनाया वो है? हैं?
ये 2 मिर्ची. Are we supposed
Is
to
that for
share
you?
this?
Is that for you? It's not mirchis. Yeah.
Yeah. Are we supposed to share this?
No, एक ही बात है.
Oh wow. I haven't managed to.
First you try ना.
Wow, I don't think I'll be able to try this.
That's a big bite. Yeah.
वो गिर जाएगा.
नहीं खाओ.
Yeah, but मुझे ना एक बहुत important चीज़ पूछनी है because ये ना हो चुका है मेरे पिछले days पे भी, where a lot of people I've met have issues with like with a girl having a male best friend. I'm sure you have a female best friend.
Yeah, I do.
And how comfortable are you with me having a male best friend?
I'm pretty. I don't think I'm never uncomfortable with a girl having best friends because I think a lot of girls connect with a man better. But चक्कर क्या होता है ना? A lot of times that best friend, many a times, I'm a guy, so I'm telling you, they're looking at it because they secretly are crushing on you. Okay?
Okay.
So they are waiting for this crack कि कहीं कुछ और मैं एंटर करूं वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड की लाइफ में. So ये मैंने बहुत बार देखा है. But still, I'll be okay with
यार
it.
ये सब लोग बोलते हैं but मेरे लिए ना बिलीव करना बहुत मुश्किल
नहीं
है.
ये सच है. लेकिन मैं 100% हमेशा नहीं बोल सकता हूँ हमेशा ऐसा होता है because my friends are my real friends. 2-3 जो मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, I can never even think of them like that. Like yeah, ऐसा भी होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा ऐसा होता है.
Yeah, or it'll be like a gay best friend. Gay best friend is why I'll probably die single.
Yeah.
Because at every party, me and my gay best friend are like holding our hands and we're just like walking like divas. And I'm like, कोई बंदा नहीं आने वाला है इसको देख के. उनको लग रहा है हम डेट कर रहे हैं. उनको ये नहीं पता हम दोनों सेम लड़कों को ताड़ रहे हैं. Wondering if is he going to be into you or into me?
Like I had my friend, हम लोग बाहर जाए पार्टी में मुझे पूछते थे which guy do you think is good? मैं देखता था उसके लिए. Then after 5 minutes मैं लड़कों को क्यों देख रहा हूँ? मैं तेरे लिए लड़कों को देख रहा हूँ, वो लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं. What the hell are you doing?
Oh my god, I love this.
I love them.
Yeah, also
मैं नाम नहीं
because-
लूँगा, but I have a very very close couple of them. There's so much full of love.
You know, you're one of the rare few people I've met who actually has a gay friend. Because I feel like men are so. I know most men that I meet have reservations about it.
I had because there were reasons because when you're young and the first time I traveled in trains and stuff, the reason I stopped traveling in trains because I was being touched. I was 14 and my bag फिर मैं बम के पास पकड़ना स्टार्ट किया. फिर एक दिन बैग में से किसी ने मेरे बुक्स निकाल दिया. मैं बुक्स कौन चोरी करता है यार? So like मैं ट्रेन में ट्रैवल नहीं करूँगा अभी. So I had. But then couple of my friends who came out in the open and said that we have feelings for a man and stuff, and then I'm like, and मैं उनको जानता हूँ इतनी अच्छी तरह से. They're like they're my brothers.
Yeah.
I can sleep with them on the same bed. They're like that, my brothers. And जब उन्होंने मुझे बोला, then I start feeling कि यार वो 2-4 situation की वजह से I can't judge the whole world.
Yeah.
So when you mature, you understand, and your thought changes.
Yeah, like we do end up having trust issues with men, but
Yeah.
it's not that मैं हर बंदे को देख ये तो rapist है या तो ये तो abuse करेगा. अबे
Yeah.
उस नजर से नहीं देख रहे. We're still giving them a fair chance.
Because हम सोच ही नहीं सकते ना ऐसे.
हाँ,
हम तो-
like-
हमारा दिमाग तो clean है.
But मुझे एक बात बताओ. Okay, since we're talking about this is also something which is very emotional for me. I feel like so many times men do this where उनके जो मेल फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना, उनका जो ग्रुप ऑफ गाइज होता है, इफ अ गाय सेज समथिंग इनअप्रोप्रिएट और डज समथिंग और जस्ट क्रैक्स अ जोक व्हिच इज रियली sexist, I feel like the other men in the group don't call him out. They'll just laugh and just put an end to it there, because I feel like it's so important for men to call each other out to sort of change the world that we're living in.
Then the guy doesn't value you.
But like, are you somebody who does that?
I will 100%. If I'm with a girl and if someone, a friend of mine, tries to say anything that is putting her down or putting her in a place which she's not supposed to be, I've done that in past. I've done that with people whom I've respected so much. I've done it with, but उनके बात करने का तरीका है तो ठीक है, लेकिन मैं थोड़ी मेरे सामने बर्दाश्त करूँगा. So I've done that in past and I'll always do that. You have to keep. That's why I'm saying, na. You have to treat a woman like a woman. You have to keep her respect because it's your respect in the end.
I think that's so rare. I swear मैं रो दूँगी.
अगर कोई ऐसा नहीं करता, नहीं कोई ऐसा नहीं करता, then they're not serious about you, or they're not men.
But yeah, listen, date करेंगे तो you can't fight my fights. Only I'm allowed to fight my.
Yeah. With another girl or guy, whatever you want to do, you go.
मतलब you would probably have to like physically lift me up and turn me around like तू रुक जा बहन.
अच्छा, you go all out?
Go all out.
Yeah?
मैं ऑटो वालों के साथ लड़ती हूँ. Abhi, I think we should end the date by eating our
Thank
pizza.
you so much. Yeah.
We eat our pizza.
Yeah.
Wow, ये.
That's a big bite. Yeah.
वो गिर जाएगा.
नहीं, खाओ. खाओ.